10, we got one on the ground. Northbound on Hanley.
Stop! Stop, alright? Stop! I'm pressing charges!
You hit MedStar, man.
I hit MedStar.
Yeah, you were. They told me that's why we're here.
I'm shutting off. Stop! Hey, chaperone!
And when they start bidding on officials, then...
Hands behind your back. Why? 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 Oh, I'm giving it to you.
All right, he's giving it to you. Give your hand, buddy.
All right.
Relax.
Relax.
You understand? Relax.
Put him in front. Behind your back. Put him in front. Behind your back. Put him in front, man.
No, put him in front. Put him on your back.
Put him in front, man. Behind your back. Why? Behind your back. I'm not telling you again. Though. Put it behind your back. I didn't do nothing. Put your hand behind your back. And don't fight me no more.
We're not going to fight you. Just listen to us.
Put it behind your back. Put it behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand on your back. Put your hand on your back.
Give us your hand. Come on.
Don't fight me.
Come on.
What's going on, man?
What?
What's going on, man?
Come on, talk to me.
What's going on, man?
Talk to me.
What's going on?
Hey, can
I'm trying to talk to you, man.
Come on, what's going on? Come on, what's going on? Tell me what's
Why
going
y'all
on.
doing me like this? I didn't do nothing to y'all.
What's going on?
Officer, what?
Come on, hey.
You're attacking the MedStar,
I
man.
didn't attack nobody.
You swung at them.
Hey, man.
And you ran from me.
Get his hand back there.
Hey, you fucking me.
I was trying to talk to you and you ran from me, man.
Come on, hey, come on. Let's stand. Come on. All right?
Stop fighting. You listen to me.
Stop.
Stop.
All right? Okay? All right, hey.
What's your name, man?
Hey, you're not under arrest, okay? You're not under arrest.
What's your name? What's your name?
Under arrest now. Why? No, I'm not. I didn't touch you.
You're being detained. Just let go of your pants, okay? Let go of your pants.
Fight me, man.
They're trying to get you help.
I just asked him why my clothes was off. That's all.
Okay.
That's all. I didn't touch nobody, man.
All right, come on.
Yeah, take me to my feet. That's all right.
Hey, we're gonna...
Hands behind your back, buddy.
Hands behind your back.
Why you keep resisting, man? That's why we keep having to hit
Hands
you.
behind your back.
Come on.
Can't hit me no more, bro.
Come on.
We won't hit you. You put your hands. Listen to us, buddy. Listen.
Hands behind your back. Turn them over.
Come on. Get the other arm.
All right, we got this
Other
one.
arm.
All right, wait. Listen.
Get
Get
back.
the shoulder up.
Yeah, get
Get the shoulder up. There you go. Hey, straighten up. Ease up. Listen. Turn your head that way. Turn your head that way. All right, look. Hey, over here. Grab this leg, pull him that way. Grab this leg, pull it that way. Now we're pulling flat, all right?
All right.
There. Now,
Here, I'll get over.
pull this shoulder up. I got this. Good.
Okay, I'm gonna act right.
All right, give us your
bro.
hand.
I'm gonna act right.
Give her your hands.
Hey, bro, let me up. I act right.
No,
Get
no,
your
let you
hand out.
We
Come
tried
on.
that. We tried that a second ago.
Punch me though.
Hey,
There
we
you go.
tried that a second ago.
There you go. All right. There you go.
All right.
All right, you're in.
All right, brother.
Good? All right, y'all
Turn
got
him
it.
over this way. Turn him over this way. Sit up.
Search.
We're gonna stand up now, okay?
Sit over and you're gonna sit you up on this.
Let's
sit up.
Get on your butt. We're gonna stand you up. We're gonna fix it. Stand up. Come on.
You gotta listen to us though.
Come on, stand up.
All right, man. I'm gonna get up and you kick my legs out, blood.
We gotta do that. All right.
All right, put your leg and we're gonna push you up on this knee. Ready?
What do you want me to do? I don't know what you want me to do.
Settle down and sit up. Sit up.
What you want me to do? Stand up. Hey, don't you say I got handcuffs on you choking me, blood.
Good. I'm not
Hey, man, you got your fucking hands around my neck.
Hey.
Ain't nobody hands around your neck. You got my neck. I know how my neck feel. I know how my neck feel.
Any hands around your neck? Huh?
Hey, go get my auntie. I think she's at one thing.
Where she stay?
In the first breezeway up there by the gate coming in. Upstairs on the left. I mean on the right.
Hang on, just wait a minute.
Hey, what's that door now? What's that door?
You have some water for him?
I don't know,
Yes.
man. I'm sorry.
What's her name?
Thank you.
Frank?
Yeah.
The first one on the left?
Upstairs on the right, I mean.
On the right. This side?
Yeah, on this side. I'm not spitting on my ass.
All right, listen, we're gonna turn him over flat. We're gonna pick him up, put him on the stretcher.
I'm already f***ing flat.
Yep.
Man, your head comes tight.
Too bad.
Hell, too bad.
There you go.
Man.
Yep. Thank you.
Why you lying and tell you I put my hands on you? I didn't touch none of y'all. You lying. You did. And that's not right.
Want to put this on, Sergeant?
And that's what? I'm not putting nothing on.
Go, I'm gonna get this
I'm not
information.
spitting on nobody.
You're the one who told me he swung at y'all, right? He swung at y'all? Huh?
He was swinging at everybody when he got up.
Was he swinging at y'all? Yeah. Okay, I need your information so we know for the report.
And that dude, get up, man.
Whenever you're ready, I'll give it to you.
Why y'all got me like this, though?
He didn't actually land anything on us.
All right, well, he ran from us.
I thought standing 1 or 2.
Huh? He started swinging at him, so I started detaining him. He started running, so I chased him. That's when we ended up here.
Who's the two-man unit here? Anybody?
So y'all's other officer went for the other guys. So it's actually 2 patients, 1 passed out, 1 like they came alive at the same time. One went one way on handling, one went the other.
Right.
This is the joker that was swinging at everybody.
Okay. All right, let me get you your name. Give it your hands, come on. Come on. Don't fight me! Come on. Put that hand there. What's going on, man?
What?
What's going on, man? Come on.
Talk to me.
What's going on, dude?
Talk to me.
What's going on?
Hey, can I spit?
Yeah, come on. What's going on? Come on, what's going on? Tell me what's
Why
going
y'all
on.
doing me like this?
Hey,
More units trying to give me
I didn't do nothing to y'all.
what's going on?
Officer, what?
Come on, hey, you were
attacking
the midstorm, man.
I just ain't nobody.
at them.
Hey, man, you
ran from me. Get his hand back there. Come on.
Hey, you fucking.
I was trying to talk to you. You ran from me, man. Come on, hey, come on. Let's sit. Come on. All right?
Stop fighting. Listen to me.
Stop it.
Stop.
All right? Okay. All right, hey. What's your name, man? Hey, you're not under arrest, okay? You're not under arrest.
What's your name? He's under arrest.
You're being detained. And let go of your pants, okay? Let go of your pants.
Fight me, man.
They're trying to get you help.
I ain't asking why my clothes is off.
Okay.
I didn't take nobody, man.
All right, well, come on. Come on. All right, stay right here. Stay right here. Let's get you up, okay? Hey, we're gonna.
Hands behind your back, buddy. Hands behind your back. Why you keep resisting, asshole? Keep having to hit you. Hands behind your back.
Come on.
Can't hit me no more, bro.
Come on.
We won't hit you. You put your hands. Listen to us, buddy. Come on. Hands behind your back. Turn him over.
Come on.
Get the other arm.
All right, you got this.
Other arm.
All right, wait. Listen. Get that shoulder up.
Yeah, get that shoulder up.
There you go. Hey, straighten up. Straighten up. Ease up. Listen. Turn your head that way. Turn your head that way. Hey, over here. Grab this leg, pull it that way. Grab this leg, pull it that way. Now we're pulling flat, all right?
Okay.
Down. Pull the shoulder up.
Okay, I'm gonna act right.
Give me your hand.
Hey, bro, let me if I act right.
Get your hand out.
We tried that a second ago.
Punch me though.
Hey, we tried that a second ago.
All right. There you go. All right. All right, here you go. All right. Good?
Come on.
All right.
Sit up. Come on. We're gonna stand up now, okay?
Sit over and you're going to sit you up on this.
Let's sit up. Get on your butt. We're gonna stand you up. We're gonna fix it. Let's stand up. Come on.
You gotta listen to us though.
Come on, stand up.
All right, man. I'm gonna get up and you kick my legs out, blood.
Because we gotta do that. All right?
All right, put your leg and we'll push you up on this knee. Ready?
Oh my.
I don't know what you want me to do.
Settle down.
What you want me to do? Stand up. Hey, no, I got handcuffs on you.
Come on, stand up.
I'm not saying, man, you got your hands around my neck, nigga.
Hey.
Ain't nobody hands around my neck.
Leg
On my neck.
Who has leg restraint?
I know on my neck still.
I don't have it.
Are there any cords on? No, there's not. You have some?
It's supposed to be back.
SRT does. Yeah, he's getting some right here. Alright, let me lock this.
Upstairs on the right, I mean. Yeah, on this side. I'm not spitting on my ass and shit.
Alright, listen, we're going to turn him over flat. We're going to pick him up, put him on the stretcher.
I'm already flat.
Yep.
Your hands so tight.
Everybody grab it.
Yeah, man.
10-4.
Why you lying to that tell you I put my hands on you? I didn't touch you, none of y'all. You lying. That's not right. What? I'm not putting nothing on. I don't feel on nobody. Man, it's some bullshit, man. I just asked y'all why my shit was off. I ain't touched nobody. And that dude punched me up, man. Don't put something on my neck like that, homeboy. Why y'all got me like this, though? I pulled up.
Go, come. Hey,
Count.
They're not gonna think so, but
What's that?
so they're not gonna think so. But hey, he was swinging at them. I was trying to stop him. He started taking off running on me. Before I even got out of my car, he's running. As soon as I tried to tell him to stop several times, he's like, no, no. And
Why was he swinging at them?
because he was high on K2 and he was getting up on it. I mean, Lieutenant, you know why he was swinging on y'all?
He was coming up out of K2. He come up and he was pissed off because we were working on him.
Yeah.
He said something about his shoe and he was screaming about a jacket.
Okay.
I have no idea, but he went after everybody in the complex, including us. But just so y'all know, our Clint's going to the other person. They found him passed out on Hanley down here.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, I got his name, phone number for the fire, and his cell phone number.